Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hardware Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do a soft reset on your XIAOMI Sound Pocket speaker. At first we need to find the power button, and at first we have to turn the speaker off. We just have to hold our finger on the power button for at least 4 to 4 seconds. Now we have to wait 10 to 20 seconds, and after that we have to turn our speaker on back again, using of course the same control. That's it, hope it helps and goodbye, have a nice day.